you suffer from intestinal and/or period cramps? If you do and are looking for a natural alternative for this issue, this video was made for you. Period cramps are a monthly and painful discomfort for many women that get their activities a little restricted during this time of the month. And if that wasn't enough, menstrual cramps also come accompanied by other symptoms like headaches, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and breast pain. Intestinal cramps, on the other hand, affect everybody. It can be caused by lifestyle, like bad eating habits and sedentarism. Other causes for it can be swallowing air during meals or constipation. Intestinal cramps include symptoms like intestinal and stomach gas, bloating, abdominal discomfort, and constant burps. Are you enjoying the video? Then don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Write down the ingredients: 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon fresh rosemary, 1 tablespoon dried chamomile, flowers and leaves, 1/2 cup honey. Directions: boil the water, rosemary, and chamomile for 10 minutes. Wait until it gets tepid, then strain and add honey. Warm again for 5 minutes, always stirring. Turn off the heat, wait until cool, and transfer to a sterilized glass jar with a lid. Keep in a dry, cool place. Take 2 tablespoons of this syrup daily for 12 days in a row. If the symptoms persist, seek medical help. And remember, pregnant women, diabetic people, and people with high glucose levels must not consume this syrup.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.